I'll show you how you can make your Facebook account completely private. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. You may want to go make your Facebook account completely private, so I'm going to go over everything you need to do. Firstly, what we need to do is go to the bottom right and go to your Facebook menu. Once you're on your menu, scroll down like this until you go and see this section for settings and privacy near the bottom and tap on it to expand it. And what you first need to do is go for the second option, which is called privacy shortcuts. Tap there. And then what you want to do is go and click on take a privacy checkup like this. So now what we need to do is work our way through all of these. So go and tap on who can see what you share. And then what we need to do is go through here and choose what you want. So for example, with the email addresses, you just go to the right and you can have it on public, friends, or only me. So as you can see, I've gone to set everything to only me already. So I'm then going to tap next in the bottom right. Then what you can do is go and choose who your default audience is. So once again, go and click where it says public or whatever it currently says. And where it says choose a default audience, you can go and click on more, and then that will reveal the option for only me. So you may sometimes need to go and click on that more button. Same thing for stories where it currently says friends, click there. When it comes to limit past posts, you can always go and limit it as well. I'm personally not going to, but you can. And then you can go and tap on next. And then what you want to do is tap on review another topic. And the next thing we want to go to is how people can find you on Facebook. So click there and then go and tap on continue. And then what you can do is where it says who can send you friend request, you can change that if you like, but I like to keep mine on everyone. And then you can choose if people can find you by your phone number or email. So that's up to you. I want it to be only me though. And then you can also choose if search engines show you on Facebook as well. Then you can click on review another topic, and you can go and look at your data settings as well. And you can also go and look at your ad preferences. So you can take a look at those if you'd like. Now, the next thing I want to go and show you is you want to go back off here, and then what you want to do is go and click in the bottom right of Facebook and click on menu again. And then you may need to go and scroll down like this, and then what you want to do is just go and click on settings this time. Then scroll down until you get to audience and visibility. And what you firstly want to do is tap on profile information and click there. And then what you want to do is scroll through here, and as you can see, you may have work, education, places lived, and all of this can be made private. So for example, with contact info, I'm going to click edit in the top right of that section. And then what we can do is go and choose who can go and see this. So as you can see, we've got our social links. And if I go to the right, there's a little world icon. If you click there, you can then choose if you want it to be public, friends. If you click on more options, we can then select only me. So I want to do this because I want it only to be me who can see this. So I want to make it completely private. Same for websites, you can go to the right and then go and click on friends or click on more options and only me, and make sure you tap on save at the bottom. Then once you've gone and saved it, we'll just wait a moment for it to load. It will then take you back. Then what we can do is scroll down, and you may want to go and hide your basic info as well. So go to the top right of that section and press edit. And then what you can do is go down. So I've already made my date of birth private, but what we can do is hide our gender if you'd like. So go to the top right of the gender section. We've got that circle on the right hand side. And then what you can do is press on hidden from timeline and then go and press save like that. And once it's finished, it will then take you straight back here. So I'll swipe back. Most of this stuff should have been covered when we're doing those privacy checkups. You may want to go and change your active status if you want to go and turn that off as well, which I do. And you've also got blocking, so you can go and unblock people as well. And when it comes to profile and tagging, you may want to go and adjust there. So click on profile and tagging, and then what you can do is choose these settings here. So you've got viewing and sharing, tagging and reviewing. So click these to go and customize them. It's going to be up to you. And then you can go and look at followers and public content as well. If you want people to follow you, you probably don't if you want to be private, so make that friends. And then what you can do is go down here. It says post public comments. You may want to go and make that only for friends or even no one for public post notifications. So yeah, just work through all these settings here, and that should go and make your account completely private.